Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in WooCommerce. This is particularly useful if you're running an international store or simply prefer to manage your shop in your native language. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce site so you can access all the necessary settings and configurations. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. This is where all your site management options live. Click on Settings from this menu. When you do, an expanded list of options will appear below it. From these options, click on General. This section contains the core settings for your WordPress site, including the language preferences we're looking for. Here's where things get straightforward. Once you're in the General Settings page, scroll down until you locate the Site Language drop-down menu. This is the control that determines what language your entire WordPress dashboard and WooCommerce interface will display in. Click on this drop-down and you'll be presented with an extensive list of available languages. WordPress supports dozens of languages, so you'll likely find the one you need. Browse through the list and select the language you wish to use for your site. Take your time here to make sure you're choosing the correct one, as this will affect how you interact with your WooCommerce store's backend. Once you've made your selection, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a blue button that says Save Changes. Click on it to apply your new language setting. This step is crucial because without saving, your changes won't take effect. After clicking Save Changes, the page will refresh and your WordPress dashboard, along with your WooCommerce interface, will now display in your chosen language. This makes managing your store much more comfortable if English isn't your primary language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in your WooCommerce site, making it easier to navigate and manage your online store in the language you're most comfortable with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.